Hey everyone, welcome to Plants and Politics. So things are not going good for Donald Trump. um, Law firms are starting to see the writing on the wall, and they're ditching Trump faster than he can tell a lie. And obviously, we know how quickly he tells those. So on Tuesday of this week, a civil judge granted the request to withdraw, which was filed by the law firm Snell and Wilmer. Snell and Wilmer was the largest law firm representing Trump in his Arizona election battle. Then on Thursday, the law firm known as Porter, Wright, Morris, and Arthur withdrew from a federal lawsuit that they literally had just filed on Monday in Pennsylvania. Those two withdrawals were then followed by news on Friday that the Jones Day law firm would not be getting involved in any additional legal action surrounding the election. Jones Day has notably represented Trump's various campaigns for over 4 years and represented Trump himself or the Republican Party or the Republican Party. In total, they've represented him, his campaigns, or the Republican Party in approximately 20 lawsuits over the years. And while Jones Day spokesman Dave Petru made clear that they were not withdrawing from representation of Trump and or the Republican Party entirely, he also did note that the firm had not alleged voter fraud and that they were not contesting the results of the election. And on an internal Jones Day conference call, one of their partners, Kevin Orr, attempted to downplay their law firm's involvement in all of these ridiculous legal maneuvers by Trump. Orr made a point of stating that Jones Day was only involved in a single Pennsylvania case, and he noted that other law firms who engaged in unsubstantiated claims of election fraud were taking part in, quote, unprincipled advocacy. However, attorneys at the law firm are not happy with any involvement of any level, apparently. One Jones Day attorney named Parker Ryder Longmaid sent an email to his colleagues which read, quote, I believe the question is whether this firm should lend its prestige and credibility to the project of an administration bent on undermining our democracy and our rule of law. We as lawyers choose our clients and our causes. We choose what we stand for. And this project, I submit, should not be one of those things. So, of course, Trump and his team are trying to spin this as the result of the leftist mob attacking his lawyers. And, the left is winning the cancel culture war. And that's why all of these law firms are giving in. I'm sorry, but when have you ever known law firms or attorneys to walk away from a case simply because they felt pressured to do it? Simply because they felt like people were going to be angry at them? Are you kidding me? When you're talking about potentially raking in millions and millions of dollars by representing Trump or the Republican Party, you're telling me they're going to walk away from that because, the public doesn't like it, because some people on Twitter said some mean things about them and tried to cancel them? Give me a break. They don't want to be associated with this ridiculousness. They don't want their credibility to just completely tank. They obviously have some form of principles and ethics, and they know that these are losing battles, that they are completely without merit. They're baseless claims, and they don't want to be associated with it. They don't want to go down with the ship, because they're going to be around a long time after Donald Trump is gone, and they know that. So, yeah, it was a really bad week for him last week, probably even worse than the week before when he actually lost the election because now reality is kind of really smacking him right between the eyes. So we'll see how long this goes on and who else jumps ship. But yeah, so sad. Womp womp, and thoughts and prayers for Donald. Anyway, as always, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching and listening. I will talk to you soon. Take care. Thanks for listening to Plants and Politics. The only way we can take our country and power back is to spread the truth and build an army. So remember to like, follow, subscribe, and share on Facebook, YouTube, and wherever you listen to your podcasts. Thanks again.